The Minn Kota Advanced GPS remote is powered by two AA batteries. To replace the batteries, flip the remote over to the back side and locate the screw on the back of the remote. Use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screw. Then slide the back cover up and off of the remote to expose the battery cover. Firmly grip the tabs on the left and right side of the battery cover and pull up to remove it. Now you can remove the old AA batteries and put the new ones in. Now you can put the battery cover back on. Slide the back cover in place. Tighten the screw up. And power your remote on.